I'm a lost little boy. I need to find home. How do I get home? I was at this stupid motel.
I've got something for you. We need to meet.
Me?
If you have...
What, face to face?
No.
Should I look for a guy in a mask?
It's just my
No
mommy.
mask.
I need to
Just
find
follow my
mommy.
signal.
I thought you never wanted to meet.
Where's
I
my
don't.
Bobby?
But we need to meet.
Where's my Bobby? I wish my Bobby. I'm so scared and lonely. Alright. Hey! Tell me where she is! Or don't. Okay.
Holy shit!
I'm just an average 10-year-old. Ignore me. Hello. I'm gonna find out. And I'm gonna be happy. And then there's the frame rate counters up there. The frame rate. Dang it. So, now there's no frame rate counter. I'm just a scared little boy with no home. Wait a minute. I got a smartphone? Who needs to go home when you got a smartphone? Honestly. Oh, things cost money. Well, let's just max out the credit card.
Ask, and ye shall receive.
Okay. Hey! Excuse me. Hey. Get back here. Fine, be that way. You know, I'm just a scared little 10-year-old. This is just a 10-year-old boy right here trying to find his way home in this stupid city. And he can't even see it on the... He can't even see out the windshield. Oh man. Oh man, this is... Oh.
Violence erupted last night in Rossi, Fremont. The notorious neighborhood has suffered a wave of violence over the last few years as members of the Black leadership.
He can't even see the road. Oh my god. He can't see out the windshield. This is just a disaster. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh man. Man, that was a big... Just... Excuse me. There's a 10-year-old driving coming through. Alright. Good. That was not a good thing. Boy!
Man, just take my money and go.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Just wait. Gun. Please don't.
Get out.
Yeah, get out. Get out to the 10-year-old that has an adult voice for some reason. I hit him. This is funny. I got like $8,000. I should probably go spend that money. I got a bunch of money to spend. I should probably spend it. Excuse me, game. Did I ask you to tell? I mean, did the 10-year-old ask you? Out of the way, 10-year-old, come to. Oh, he can barely see out the windshield. This is great. This is fun. I mean, seriously, this is just great. A little 10-year-old boy driving around in his own car, because that's not illegal. Wait, what? What? What happened? Alright, yeah, fill it up, please, thank you. Excuse me. Oh, crap. Oh, well, at least it can't get any worse.
I almost died.
At least it can't get any worse. Hey. What? I don't think this place is gonna be open for you. Oh. It got worse. Alright, I think it's gonna stop there. It's got to. Like, what else could it do? Just okay. good, I need to run because they're going to be after me now. The gas station gods are not happy with me now. I'm sorry, gas station. It was wrong of me to do that. 10-year-old coming through. 10-year-olds are allowed to do this. Oh. Ow, 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 ow. That's just like when I fell out the stairs up those many times when I was a child. Fell down the stairs a lot. I wasn't good with the stairs. Ah! Excuse me. I need to get on. Alright, oh, are you kidding? It's the furthest I can go. I'm running. Yeah. Die lights. Lights are the arch enemy of 10-year-olds. It's not a gun, it's a silenced pistol. Right, fine. Clearly they don't like me using a pistol, so maybe if I use a shotgun, that'll be better. What? I'm just running on the train tracks, is that wrong? Apparently they don't like... Do they not like it when you run on train tracks? I don't... Oh, crap! Oh, no, 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 no! Okay. Okay, that happened. Open your world. Okay. No, holding the gun, I don't know what you're talking about. Wait, what? Oh,
Bad boy.
What?
Bad boy. 17.
What the fuck, man?
What? I don't like